Well, first, and you mentioned a very good point. When you're creating this Git repository or this project, make sure that you, as the company owner, are the owner.
Okay. Yes, thank you. That is awesome. And how do you do that?
Um, you create it. You
Okay.
like even
You
if
sign up.
you're the most basic business owners and you don't have a sysadmin and you haven't found a developer yet, uh, let's say go to Bitbucket, create a new account. It's going to ask for your email, and then just create new project, and it's your project.
All right. That is the most important thing out there is to make sure that you as a business owner are the one who created the account, the one the account is in your company name. If there's a credit card, I guess there's a credit card. Even if it's free, there's probably a credit card step in there. It's your business credit card or your own personal credit card, right?
Yeah, make
Okay.
sure that you have access. That it's
Well,
the
you're,
same idea. Make sure
yeah,
that like if you had a house or a building, make sure that you're the one who has the keys.
yeah. Okay. And at that point, let's say you have 5 developers and you're going to add 2 more. It's easy to do, right?
Yeah, there's easy to use point and click interfaces most of the time.
Okay.
I'm only saying most of the time because I haven't actually done it on every single site, but everyone
Hmm.
I've used has it.
Good.
So, you go and you go give access or give permission or allow permission. Like, there's usually something very clearly named to let you know that you can give somebody permission to access this project.
Yeah.
And it's
Okay.
usually by search by username, search by email address, search by like an identifier. So
Uh,
you as a business owner, you've created a project on Bitbucket, you have your account, and you go, I want to add Nick to it. Hey Nick, what's the email you use for Bitbucket?
Yeah.
And I give you that email, and you search it in. You go, okay, this is the user. Give him whatever level of access you want. That's the other beauty part of it is you can give, let's say, a read-only access. You can give a high-level access to tell the person, yeah, they're allowed to make changes to the master branch, the production branch. They're allowed to make changes to, well, they're only allowed to push up new branches that people with higher levels of permission, they're the ones who can merge your changes
Hmm.
into develop. Like, and a lot of it is very intuitive and very clearly marked. And if not, there's little help me links.
Okay.
It's come a long way from from I don't know, years ago where like it would be hidden behind so many different options and you would literally need somebody who just knew how to do that.
Yeah, of course. So now the inverse can happen as well. You can remove access from whomever you like,
Yeah,
correct? Yeah.
correct. If somebody leaves the project or God forbid somebody is threatening you with something,
Yep.
we've seen that before. We've seen the hostile dev
Yep.
threaten with changes or I'm gonna delete everything and well it's uh,
Yeah,
you,
that's the main point is we've seen so much in the past where the actual Git repo that we're talking about now is in the name of someone other than the business owner. So and they don't know, right? It's not their fault. So then they have to deal with the person who's got the keys. And if they want to let the that long time developer go for whatever reason, sometimes things are not going well, and then all of a sudden the business owner finds out that, oh, I don't actually have the keys to my own business. The developer that I want to get rid of, or the developer that I want to break the relationship with, has all the keys. So we've seen some pretty uncomfortable situations. So this is the goal. The goal of this last 15 20 minutes is to ensure that people realize that they need to be in control of their code base. They need to be in control of all their accounts, and they need to be the ones with the keys.